Aisha say ingredient dial kashir gone got ke yen go. I'm thrilled. Kajan Guasame. I want to take this particular moment to share some idea. Guasame cha rialaka code ne banatilla con ka nyok banaka nyok. Katilla con ka nyok. Bana right to quick commercial health and temperance. Milot title level health and temperance. Take a teacher intemperate. Get teacher intemperate. Intemperate katin samga ke access. Kachupay na chicken polga. Dong bukara ki jika shang radien. Ka what video dang rew tacha pose ni sagalas ka media. Kika my timeline. Shall write kwe mishal new start. New start jen bikon continue ke jamo wale. Bana mo try kon ko kwide. New start ka sok kawaini. Katichal acronyms. Katichal acronym. Key acronyms. I think again how you pronounce acronyms. Ke actually abbreviation. Allow to word ke take a lot. And an ejection done our birth episode. Ke passes in each corner share on an end lot of nutrition. Right model at corner go a dietitian or me la we do well. Take a need to a dietitian, teach like a doctor. No di to one di nga cheka. Nutrition take a lot of it. But Michelle healthy living can a healthy eating. Allow it eating no more. You can't be right now exercise. And when there and take exercise. The rule the work gym the point in you. She dang jang jalijin ke jalani joke. You can walk outside with dog or you can go for a dog walk. And then ke jogging. Ke jogging, yeah. Jogging, yeah, sorry, jogging. Di walk jogging. Di michenama di wala. So what about right ke Michelle W. W Michelle water. W is for water. Keep you. Chikon N lat, chikon E lat, chikon benka san chop kay W. W man ban right order wale specifically ban right ke water keep you. This is it's going to be our topic. They can detailed one they can get to quid. I can go no one yam blow no banner or down much Bible li ko can pew she quote Karyalaka different cultures second different ways to kwa use ke kwa use then kwa apply ke they apply the use of water in different ways. Can water ke distinct allow taken different unique things right here but bani jo jike yo re ruani tin bekon kala to can piu ko ngone e gwas me ka New Testament book in Charlie book John Gospel. John is one of synoptic Gospels. Choka Diok Beth and Diadian. Yechu Saraja Michelat Wood Michelle Nocdimus. Shawedan John Choka Diok Beth Diad. Yechu Jaloji a puch a large Mekaran Dis Kapi can a year Jade Western Quaracos. And a matam Chako Nak ka God Kingdom. Our Makan Lak Kapi can a year Ide Shop Shang Quaracos. Few Tamasica take a lot. Kajan Bogomabo, John Choka one best gender with a badak. John Show one best gender with a badak. Chawe Chaya Jacka Chaya Jack to be a no, let me check here. Yeah, John Show one best gender with a badak. John Show one best gender with a badak. Show me again. Chawe Chaya Jacka be Chaya Jacka be a tikan piece near Chian ne cocaine piece. No. John Show one bus 1 sorry. John Show 1. John Show 1 bus 1. John Show 1 bus 1 la again. Koramima pi Tibianka kamje. Chira will be met nak a manishan kel. Pitin behind ka kamje. Bika Joe Pini Malone Rayde. Memo jetic metal fe. You may write Jesus can shake Samaria. Lono Jaraja. Me we can you bought your jandara with a be jigging wooden what take a year take a pew, take a thin. Ka Bogan Mabo, Boga right mountain, Ka John, Shoka Baro, Bad Jandok with a badak and chair full of white man and John Shoka Baro, Bad Jandok with a badak. The one and Bad Jandok with a badak. Jawaka Ramin Nash, Chedek min she right quote a lari BP take a loan ray ramamo. Banyo quinta worker Karamin Nath Chedek min she right quote a lari BP take a loan ray ramamo. Jen Chala corner me come up choker bangwan but Mark Sugar one, but Jen Mark Sugar one, but one. I believe Mark Sugar one, but one. And I may dear Yavaya to car tired than it's a Koran, Jesus born Kaya. The workers to Elijah can have most of Pal Niam Dian, Rajaka Yesu. No, let's try it. But Jen one with a kel. Virgin one with a kel. Virgin one with a kel. May she jag dang well a ling, sugar gag, juke, sugar gag, Jerusalem can sugar gag, James can John. All right. So, and Rajan like was me, no, show one brother, okay, but, Gen 1, Kaya put a lot of jay, Ramo, be a moipi, the Mars or more, Go Labane Creso, Bumujin go a jack, Ram because more job, go Labane Creso, Bumujin go and jack. Today, like a Tamba and Banaka, with your car, Ray study ka di bokun chale proverb ki right pele show janara with the age but janara with the kel di kwen raja book kwi pini essential of water dono was mebo ka sam ke di choko korka with the jendo with the bakal kana bakal raja book kwi pini mi kon ben ko topic of water. Water is essential of life. Agorno ko biology. Tin the alten tick. All everything that walked and live. Tin the alten tick ye. Ke tin the alten tick. Many gen. Wa gor can feel. Tell me you pew gor. Wasama, you know approximately. Our pew even our planet Earth. Allow we monitor continent. Awajen 71% of the Earth's surface jaga cover water. 71%. Allow dry land find in term if you think about dry land at 29%, according to statistic. The statistic let jakon statistic let jakon on 71% of planet Earth. You know why jaga cover water. If you think about oceans, or what can take a pit one, different oceans, underground water, then la dire pini mi, miki tet ka walang, kiji tet ka jiu, la piwa jegi. Ya would large portion of the planet Earth, jaga cover, jaga kan piu. Take a piu, and the more is undeniable. Ecosystem ka liu, lo no riu de tong one, tere pini. But jakon mo ko the code chiang nothing kan got the tone lo no kan got the college in chalaga dry land as planet dry land why very small fracture lo no very small fracture middle few or why we can barely survive if there's no water. Human being can barely survive. Even animals can barely survive. Mitchell Pew, they can barely survive and thrive. She can thrive wherever they inhabited. Wasn't Hinkantin. We can an example go on native Nuer in particular. Culturally, lono go on native Shalan nomad. Go on pastoralist. And wouldn't ne be painted pew lock on a cause wouldn't ne ban with migration but talk. In quantum one big jeep be dead and corn rodi and long kajal lono big liu and lono but human being bo dong da na nang 2 to 3 days jal na ko na wapin na mo lono nyo the jewu ne me where there's a lack of water the not struggle ko ba wapin ba gor for our animals, like on cattle. Ko con no mat, con pastoralist, la con a gold. Min go along a take the Lloyd down walk on, Michigan a mouth of pew, Kijig a wawal jet, and then they will produce when go con a be con a jigger. You get chap can produce, or no become healthy, can become a still much Lloydian test. Human being, la point and carrade. La point and take 60% of human body water. To me, blood plasma. 60% of human body water. That means 40% I can tell a bit in Tony. 60% of average human body is water. Especially our blood plasma. Our body composition is almost overwhelmed. Lono jen cha thiang pew. Blood plasma 60%. Lono ke pew. Pew cha ka lon di de long re pairan. Tet ko ke lot ko che pew cha ka chak. So tin di authentic gor ko pew kan. Leidwar mani jwaj mani jen. mi kona gwe kona ka biology can pew love water ka tichal carbon dioxide ka mi chali oxygen kan tini chala ka raw material tin gor joy ke ko bi ko tik bi ka mi chali photosynthesis kan ko produce ke bi ka kwan kan ko lel kwanan ko ko survive ke then brana ko kan bi ko kwan de kwan tele tini lono de lia joani da so pew to ga lon di water they are essentials for life. Pew la kan tung wan la kan ka revive. We take a mission de jack yang chi mon ran with the white pew. Water intakes are essential or necessary. Until the alinjal go to pew kan. Since they are a source of life. Lono good kon ke ko banaka math can pew. Chalake wonder water is very crucial for our choice. And time I generate take with the continent, what in go look and along, don't know they can pew there on the mouth. Then Jews get in cocaine. In time by Jews in cocaine, a time you can't mark on with you didn't want not every liquid when they support life. Chitanian you can go. While pew can go on can a good choice. Which I moy ke juice, which I moy ke pew, or they go on and they can pew for your healthy body. Over point pal. It is a very ambiguous and ambiguous message. General message can a dialogue and can pew go okay. If you allow your body to hydrate all the time, take your bottled water, be ganang, don't know, be point to be hydrated, be mouth with pew, don't know, be point of a part. Michang chimit ka kwan, mouth ni pew ko hodin. No, lono, they point that part. I did take a point. But Michi dehydrate, at your point, you point, you talk. There is likely when they collapse. KD take a fatigue, she don't want to take a long line. Lono, they to exhaust. They run puaany, they run the loose, Michi dehydrate too much, go dear collapse. But the put you get they run come out on. Not every liquid. Take liquid into the Italian go, Coquana. Banora Italian sang, Chida Kong. Koang and Dan and Charlie fermented wine. The non-fermented wine. You know, me take a Kong McCann make a pop, can miss a more top. So, Michi dehydrate the point you know the collapse. The water and also your digestion. When in some shit can tell me, Michi Run could walk around teach of 25 above, a wabi take a slow digestion. When Bidgy look along, the pew, the mouth of pew, what does your biology or science say about water? Biology, shall hurry a quipping, pew walk over along, the car mouth, one. They did no mother go pew, then wouldn't never miss a pan can. Keep do a chummy. Go meet room, go Michigan advance, Chagaco and be jedu colon, can tend the year the chinku. She can be active alone, or in a bigger one cannot digest, but be pew, can look. You can survive and thrive when you drink water. Pew in term can kwan Michara la raid or quad me till pew got till kwan. For example, Chawo, you can survive and thrive 7 days without food. Take me Yamjine con Michali Rosanna. A Jenny did take an in borough till kwan. But alone you can survive and thrive 7 days without food or without eating. But it is very impossible, or it is very unfortunate when you can live only for 5 days. You can live only 5 days. Can you imagine? Di chiang kunin dan di karodian can di take a karan. If there is a problem of water, you can survive or tolerate life for only 5 days. They survive, but if it is impossible if there is no water, because you can live only for 5 days. You can tolerate life for only 5 days with the problem of water, and then after that you can perish. The use of water here is so broad, including cleaning your body, cleaning your clothes, cleaning the material in the house, ditches, kwakudial and tigi, pinbo, lagi ko pew, kantidial tini, kantidial the laka ko pew. Pew michika madme lakan wea lak no point. Bigger tin jack the alton content they depend pal point. We can go release. We can go way point back accurate. And then we go barala show down in barala west. I remember take a check me milane runi take on. Ladder facility meeting what in ditin lana let it lely any door cleaning yet pin kumu tungwan. Kalane kuna in track some of the dangerous chemical. But lane take a mass and jogi one day jogi how do you cope with something like michi pilo and a genetic michi de luang? How do you cope with that situation? Check my ship then. Chejo deng chejo tenwa. So when me milana lel me michi take michi de deal take michi took the bat. Don't know go to take rail ngadi very liquid. Ke ngadi me a soap. Ke ngadi wet all the time. And then me talk to the bat. Jenny michi do a deal. So when lele. I remember I would I work with hazardous chemical with Vietnamese supervisor during my desperate time of perceiving they don't take committed kalung. La yogurt and yin di mouth of pew. Chawoman la lele, her system. Chawo water can antidote, ke remedy till I use it. Janaba mouth of pew to your michakama pitting one. Janin Guathamo, your Guathanan in way chone, be mamma, belong babara. Chokujala gua. Allow middle option that then get the alternative which you go and take a millet here danger long. Yes, dear mother pew. Then dear which maneuver don't die, dear Gary die again. So no more to kill me shoot a ring is gather and go Kajan facility Mumalani, Go during my desperation, they mother pew. Can they use alone, and if I suspect any chemical or encounter any feeling of unease, me take me gwaja and shigwaka they mother pew. She advised me to drink water, to drink plant water, and I created that ridiculous chemical. Me take a measure them up, lono very ridiculous chemical back and then chemical malono they ran a kamraga show. They ran a show, lelga show, that show, braga show. ko jen nature la so pew ta ka lon mi di long lono kan la mat ko ton mi cha ka mat bran ke chu le la wona ne bi ngadi bi min te point min go ji jek lono di chu get rid of so recommendation nene to one them need con let the health and many my recommendation I can recommend that you guys have to use like drink water more than anything. Drink water, drink liquid. Allow water bigger mouth. You know, before point by say. Bigger mouth, then we can inject today, today point we can go clean up. The point before. So the mental admin over there. Jin me jira take a room. The Janara with the DH maybe approximately material Janara with the DH a 1 am digestion do chade chale la active long then tie dan ni take run bakal run baro run badak one ka run walbo yo run wal DH you know that take a metake I find it myself when I tie it to help me down back then chicken tan to anton chỉ trong ngoan trong chiếc quần mới lên cả dòng đây cho cô mới thiệt cái mới đi user cái thiệt cái mới đàn để mà chăm đây là giàu cái mới đàn cái này point quan vô quan trong chân quan mình chỉ quan này là chăm mới đàn I'm sorry talking about food here quan thì là anh cái miết đây là chăm mới đàn trong chỉ chân miết đây là chăm trong cô the more we advance, the more can be take active digestion. Me see the tie down la me la take me da. Yeah, pew awa go okay. Water is or are essential for life. They are necessity to their come out. Ka any door, ka living creatures in chachak, work and water. Ni medan ni meda kon lan wall kon de kon la chok le ni la ka jig miti ka walang ki ti ko di chok la ben jik dong jok dong kwat dong cow di chok ben jik jeno cha ma tu piu na la kan brode no kwal ko war bi ka ben ma tu piu and then bi ka loy de got ching ken de kon tin de kansin. We all must crave for water. Hey, chiaang take it on. Few they can go. Number one, you have to keep yourself hydrated. Which point you pick a chicken before. The use of water is abroad. Water people can now look on and peace corner carolan, meeting yal dam. Be now pith, loining the albertet. Pew will meet a tegarium jitro, Kiro, Michi, Dwellwang, a can lie you other to go by pie or by extinguish, by pew, back apply, couldn't be, go be, dwelling down in she Minchawang, by Majama by yin, keep water chawang by Majama by yin. So pew tag alone deep digestion book. Let it go out and name medical pew be good digestion bakula go. Biology ladder digestion start from your mouth. The time down ku kwan ku je shiu ge through your action of tongue and the teeth will be kwan be breakdown. But me wuji do more to go to be onyo me medical pew go and be yen kwan. So committee suspect bo chang kan lung tu tin di pew di ka mak mi pew te la o chi gi ga ngat di lime dan la ja kan be la di dwar lo no be la di pi ni be tol be microwave ke be tol ko pri le and then be a map chẳng tin yin ga ton bo so bi lime dan la kona chol lemon bi la di pini bi piu bi ka tol bi ka map so na ma be lok ko ne bi mendan ne loki ki men ngongi be jen so na ma ken de kon kalat ki pini ne wol de ran survive di tenijin ka nin die karo ka piu kanga ma de no di ching nin die karo. Yes, not every liquid or chicken liquid ni dial. Kajan ba Michigan ma was excess. Michigan ma too much. They can enable. There is still Mich Allah the ship kuiship wouldn't shall John White. John White the most genetic shake mature competition. Shake much a mouth ke literally chop ko barok kedi. The competition she won. But can I like, can I win? Can I like, can I win? Make a witching, one make a daughter. And check more, can pew to Chamathon, don't know which I will. Because you pew to go too much. So pew, too much, any too much of something, Nisha. Chago along, chago, no. So go to jail and gin be mother pew, but chicken be mouth too much. Bigger mother law, bigger balance. But everywhere we do a jelly bottle pin, you do not mouth. Then any other liquid. Kogan did the Koang Jr Deng in terms of Charidian pie moya chemical. Nintendo make it warm mouth. You know, a red light. La point one in a bitch. Yeah, and I can in the pixing and the town. The Quarmal, but the Calacon Bunny think